Good morning, students. Welcome to EVS class. I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, Water in Our Lives. This is very important chapter. In this chapter, we will learn about sources of water, uses of water, storing and saving of water. So let's start this chapter. First, we will learn about sources of water. Students, rain is the main source of water on the earth. Rainwater collects in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and ocean. These are known as water bodies, right? So, rain is the main source of water. Rainwater that collects deep under the ground between rocks, sand, and clay is called underground water. Wells are dug deep into the ground to get the underground water, right? So underground water is also pumped using a hand pump or a tube well, right? So these are the sources of water. Students, now we will learn about uses of water. All the living things need water to live. We use water in our daily lives for so many things. For example, cooking, washing, drinking, watering plants, bathing, etc. Water is used for putting out fires, right? Water is also used for putting out fires. Students, one thing I also want to tell you that water is also used for making electricity, right? So there are many uses of water. Now we will learn about storage of water. Students, we need to store water to keep it for later use. Stored water can be used for drinking, cooking, and washing. Drinking water can be stored in jugs, earthen pots, and bottles. Water for bathing and washing is stored in plastic buckets, steel buckets, drums, and tanks. Water in rivers can be stored in dams. A dam is a wall built across a river to hold back water. Right? So, in this way, we can store water. Next is saving water. Students, we should not waste water. We can start this by saving water at homes. We should close the tap while and after brushing the teeth. Water should not be wasted while bathing. All leaking taps and pipes should be repaired. We can collect rainwater in underground tanks and reuse the water. Fine, so in this way we can save the water. That's all about this chapter, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.